Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
This method programs an E46 remote without dealer equipment in minutes. You need the working master key and the unpaired spare remote present. Replace the remote battery with a fresh CR2032-3V cell if needed. Park within 1 meter of the driver door and close all doors before starting. Have both keys physically in hand and the ignition turned off fully. We will use manual lock and unlock sequences to teach the DWA module. Estimated time is about 10 minutes from start to finish. Start with the driver door closed and both keys in hand beside the vehicle. Use the master key to lock the car using the key blade in the driver door lock. Immediately step away about 1 meter and remain visible to the car. Within 10 seconds, press the new remote's lock button 3 times in quick succession. Watch for the car to acknowledge with 2 horn chirps or a single flash of lights. If you hear confirmation the remote learned, test lock and unlock from 2 meters away. After programming, walk 2 meters away and test lock and unlock functions with the new remote. Press each button and confirm central locking and trunk release respond correctly. If there is no response, replace the remote battery and repeat the 3-press sequence within 10 seconds of locking with the master key. If programming still fails, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes to reset modules. Reconnect and repeat the procedure with the master key. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.